Join us as we unravel the secrets of heaven's mandate and discover how you can bring balance and harmony into your own space. Welcome to the Wanyan Feng Shui channel, where ancient wisdom meets modern living. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the heart of ancient China and explore the concept of heaven's mandate. Picture this. Ancient Chinese rulers believed they had the divine right to rule, a mandate from heaven itself. But here's the catch. This right was contingent on virtuous and proper behavior. Imagine your life being reflected in the state of your kingdom. If the emperor failed to behave properly, chaos would ensue in his life, mirroring the disorder within his kingdom. It was a cosmic sign that the mandate had slipped away, paving the way for a new dynasty to rise. Written histories weren't just tales of the past, they were strategic tools. The last emperor of a dynasty was often portrayed as a less than virtuous character, justifying rebellion and the birth of a new era. This fascinating insight reminds us that balance, virtue, and cosmic harmony were at the core of ancient Chinese governance. So, how does this ancient wisdom apply to our lives today? Join us as we unravel the secrets of heaven's mandate and discover how you can bring balance and harmony into your own space. Stay tuned to the Wanyan Feng Shui channel, where the past guides you to a harmonious present.